Welcome dear viewers and subscribers to another exciting video where we are going to reveal to you the 10 most expensive houseplant on planet Earth. Houseplants have grew in popularity ever since there has been a significant desire in people to decorate their homes and give their lifestyle a natural aesthetic. Here we have compiled in today's video a list of the 10 most expensive houseplants to decorate your lifestyle and home. Before we get right onto our topic of the 10 most expensive houseplants on the planet Earth, we would like to tell you a little about their relevance in life or home. Much like all the things whose demand grew due to the publicity they got through social media, houseplants too are one of those beauty-adding accessories that you would want to decorate your home with. People often ask, or rather wonder, why would I want a plant in my living room or in my bedroom? The answer is simple: they bring about a subtle freshness and positivity in your lifestyle. Think of it like this: we often go to parks or even take a drive to the country to get some fresh air away from the polluted air of our cities. Similarly, wouldn't it be great to have a tiny proportion of that nature and freshness inside our own homes? Well, that was the initial idea behind houseplants. With time, however, this idea of houseplants being an object of decor and positivity evolved into a whole industry that works commercially, as somewhere in time people decided to develop species of plants and flowers that are very rare and unique into a houseplant. And the results were beautiful and expensive. In our list of 10 most expensive houseplants on Earth, we bring to you some of these houseplants, and let us remind you that you will be shocked at how much a simple-looking plant can worth to the right admirer. If you're loving this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Number 10, Monstera Thai Constellation. Cost $300 to $500. The Monstera Thai Constellation comes last on this list of the most expensive houseplants. The speciality of this plant is the variegation of a combination of green and white on its leaves. This is the thing that makes this variety stand out from others. Buying this plant for your house would easily cost you $300 to $500. Number 9, Pink Princess Philodendron. Cost $1,999. When you look at the Pink Princess Philodendron, you will immediately mistake it for a flower straight out of a Disney movie. The reason for its beauty is its leaves that have a mix of green with a very pretty shade of pink. Also known as the half-moon philodendron Pink Princess, this flower was named the 2019's must-have plant by Horticulture Week. Number 8, Hindu Rope Plant. Cost $6,500. The Hindu rope plant, also as Hoya carnosa compacta, was sold for $6,500 on the same New Zealand website called Trade Me, on which the variegated Monstera minima was sold. Number 7, Variegated Monstera minima. Cost $19,000. On a website in New Zealand, the plant was sold for $19,000, making it the 7th most expensive houseplant. Normally a philodendron minimum is sold for only $20 to $50, which isn't a very big price. However, what was special about the one sold on the site is that its leaves had half and half variegation, with yellow on one side and light green on the other. In total, the plant had only 4 leaves. Number 6, Obliqua Monstera. Cost $23,000. The large Monstera obliqua, or the more whole than leaf plant, is the 6th most expensive house plant in the world. In an auction, it was bought by a bidder for $23,000, which gave it 6th place on this list. The speciality of this plant isn't in its color or the beauty of its flower. Rather, in the case of Obliqua Monstera, the value lies in what the plant doesn't have. This plant in the botanical language is called Monstera obliqua. Number 5, the Shenzhen Nongka Orchid. Cost $202,000. The Shenzhen Nongka Orchid is so expensive as it is the rarest of the rare orchid. The speciality and uniqueness come from the fact that it was developed in a lab by the Shenzhen Nongka Group. It took 8 years to develop this beautiful orchid in a lab, and in the year 2008, it was sold to an anonymous bidder at $202,000, making it the 5th most expensive houseplant. It was given the botanical name of Orchidaceae Shenzhen Nonka, number 4, 800 years old bonsai tree, cost $1.3 million. At the Japanese International Bonsai Convention, in 2011 a miniature white pine tree was sold for $1.3 million. The price made the tree the 4th most expensive houseplant in the entire world. Number 3, 250-year-old juniper bonsai tree, cost $2 million. This absolutely beautiful and grand juniper bonsai tree was sold at an auction for $2 million in 1981, making it the 3rd most expensive houseplant in the world. Number 2, Juliette Rose, cost $5 million. Like its name, the Juliette Rose is a sweet and delicate-looking dreamy flower. The peach color of this rose breed has a history of its own. Nowadays, you can get a rose called Juliette Rose at just any flower shop for very much less than $5 million. However, this was how much the rose cost to the breeder David Austin, who first developed this apricot-hued variety of rose in a course of 15 years. The Juliette Rose was first brought in front of the world in 2006 at the Chelsea Flower Show, where it won 25 gold medals. This particular variety of roses is considered to be the most expensive rose ever to be developed. Number 1, Queen of the Night, valued, considered to be priceless. On number 1 in our list of most expensive house plants, we have the Queen of the Night flower. The botanical name of this beautiful flower is Epiphyllum oxypetalum. It is native to Sri Lanka and other parts of the Indian subcontinent. Considered to be one of the most beautiful flowers in the world. The speciality of the Queen of the Night is that it blooms only at the night. That's where the flower got its name from. In the eyes of houseplant lovers, this flower is so valuable that its worth isn't given, and it is considered to be priceless. So this was our compilation of the 10 most expensive houseplants to decorate your lifestyle. Do let us know if we have missed anyone, and also, which one do you think is going to suit your house or your office desk? We will love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below, and subscribe to our channel to more content. See you again in our next video.